Hey, mama didn't raise no fool, but no, you know, I mean, the crowning touch, the finishing touch, the crown, what a difference that's going to make visually and for the whole appearance of the room, because of the crown going on in the kitchen area and then tying into the living room in the hall.
Oh yeah.
That is going to be an added just showpiece.
Cause see, that crown's gonna go around.
Yeah, it's going to be a showcase of the room.
Yeah, it's gonna go around this
And
cabinet.
the crown will be an accent up against the antique. The crown will actually accent the antique wall even more, because there'll be more of that color up against the wall.
Well, and then out in the hallways,
And just make it look
and
good.
the living room,
Yeah.
and the front area. It's gonna dress that up too.
Yeah.
Now it seems as though that we're speaking about crown molding. What do you think the best process is? You're gonna spray
Yes,
2 coats of that.
I'm going to pre-paint it before it's installed. And then when the installer is finished, and I'll go back and run a thin bead of caulking on the top and the bottom, which you'll see in the next video we do on this project.
Sweet.
You'll see it in the stages that we'll do it in. Setup, spraying of it,
All right.
and then you'll see after it's installed the final detail work on painted crown that goes up. You'll see the final detail work that it takes to get it all look perfect.
That'll look nice. That'll be nice.
And that'll be a final video of this project, which has entailed many facets of totally renovating without major expense.
Yeah, because I haven't done any crown molding videos yet. I'm going to enjoy that, and I think a lot of people will be interested in those videos on installing crown,
Yeah,
painting it, finishing it, and seeing what it actually looks like up.
yeah. I did the same process, painting it prior to install. And if you have a good installer for crown, you have a good carpenter, that's what he does. You won't have a total lot of prep work to do as far as, most of the time, nails and issues with.
Right. So you're not going to install the crown. You're going to paint it.
Yeah.
Somebody else is going to come here, cut it, and install it, and then you're going to come back and finish it up. Caulking it,
Yeah,
filling the nail holes and all that.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah, all that process will be in the next phase of one more step into. Yeah, this is the MDF too, so.
Yeah.
So basically the ceiling, cut in along the ceiling here is done. Oh, that's not the right color.
Oops.
So sometimes you make a little mistake, I forgot that.
Oh man.
But then you just wipe it off, so there's no reason to get all up in the air about something.
Yeah. The crown molding, we got crown molding going up
Yeah,
there too.
crown
He's going to
going
touch
up
up
there.
that. And there's a tip for you. Look, even a professional painter
Absolutely.
might forget about that. But he was talking. I give him credit for that. And
Yeah.
that's kind of like talking on a cell phone and missing an exit on the
that's right.
freeway. You don't want
That's
to.
right.
And for those of you out there, don't drive with the using a cell phone
Yeah.
at the same time.
And,
You know, you lose your concentration. It's very
Put the
dangerous.
time in to get it done best as possible. You know, you might not be the best painter, like I claim. Maybe I'm not the best, but I'll give you my best and then some. So that's the way you gotta look at it as a homeowner. Just do your best.